Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to make a community post on YouTube. It works on an iPhone, on an Android device, and it works in 2020. So make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever. Let's start. So if you want to make a community post, the first thing you gotta know is that you need 1,000 subscribers and you need to wait around a week after you achieve that. And then you have this option. When you click the plus button at the bottom, of YouTube, as you can see here. And then you have the third option, create a post, which is basically the community post. There's also one more way to get into it, and it's to actually go on your profile, click on your channel, and then go on community, and you can see your community posts right here. You can have posts, which for me work really well, over 100 votes lately, and you can have different pictures, videos, all of that jazz. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like, and I want to see you in the next video.